Yeah, hi Fred, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know, this is laser number one of the last free batch. Okay, so I'm just going to mark one on there for you. Okay, you can see that's a one. Yeah, so yeah, basically I've taken out a laser. I didn't even bother checking whether they work or not, to be honest with you, Fred. You know, I've gone over them, I've given them a clean for you. You know, basically I've serviced it for you, and I put another laser in for you. So at least you know you've got a 6-month warranty when you sell your machine or whatever you do with your business. So yeah, that's done. Now with this top part on this one, you know, it's broken, but I'm going to glue it for you. I'll super glue it. I haven't got any more of them things, mate. I have dug everything out, and I can't find any of them, and they're so hard to get. They're like literally rock and roll shit. But I will keep digging and look around. So yeah, but anyway, that's number one for you. You know, that ain't gonna come off. It won't just fly off or anything like that. But you know, it's you know, it'll be stable. I'll glue it and it'll be stable. And then, you know, if you still got it later on, if I do find him other parts, I'll get you another part. But that's on that one. So yeah, okay, so that's number one for you, Fred. Cheers, buddy.